Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what messages there are for you today, Gemini. What wants to show through for you today? The world card did flip out while I was shuffling, but I've put it back because we haven't begun. So now let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless the reading for my gems and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gemini, welcome back. Welcome back, all my old subscribers, new people here. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, gems, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh, what happened here, Gemini? Somebody's in deep regret. Some things have really fallen apart here because of maybe some untruths or no clarity in a situation. So from the first look that I get here, somebody wants to speak their truth and return. Maybe about a commitment which wasn't followed through. Somebody wants a fresh new beginning after some betrayal has happened. They want to have some communication about maybe somebody was selfish in this relationship. They want to bring back justice to this equation. There's a lot of regret about the way things were handled. So before I start clarifying these cards, gems, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards, and just to get the ball rolling, to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Gems and their person, spirit. Gemini and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here. Gemini and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what that would be. Gemini and their person. No wonder the world card flipped out earlier. That also signifies endings and new beginnings. So let's see what this is. But from what I see here, center of my spread, something came to an end. But somebody is wanting to re-begin the story, apologize maybe, or bring in some communication. Okay. Let's see now. First card I have here, Gemini, says, I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. So there are guilty feelings of maybe a betrayal here. You're holding us back because of your self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. Yes, I think that's what somebody wants to do. Now talk, and or at least they're hoping for that. My heart breaks a little bit more every day we are apart. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you're my world and I want everyone to know. So maybe when the time was right, this relationship never got acknowledged. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You're my ultimate fantasy. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Somebody didn't have the courage to take action when the time was right. The situation is messy. Yes, I think this card's been coming up a lot for you, Gems. This could be a third-party situation, possibly. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. Okay, so these were some of your messages, Gemini, let's clarify these cards and see what's going on. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading and see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message card. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini, please, my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Healthful. Maybe somebody is stressed out about this ending. It's time for them to take care of themselves. Maybe the pressure is too much now. So, and Gemini, maybe this could just be a message from the angels for you to take care of your health. Okay, this could be mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, spiritually. I don't know in what way, but do take care of yourselves. So let's start with the reading. The first card I have here, gems, is the Eight of Cups and the Moon in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Eight of Cups and the Moon in reverse. Eight of Cups and the Moon in reverse. Eight of Cups and the Moon in reverse. Somebody wants to return, or they want their partner to return. They want to reveal some secrets and have this very direct kind of a conversation. Maybe things which have been hidden in the dark. They want to reveal all those things, whatever they've not been able to say till now. So the Queen of Swords and the King of Swords is here with the Victory card and the Ace of Wands. So somebody really is wanting to return back to have this communication, reveal their innermost, whatever secrets that have been hidden till now, and have communication so they can have victory again. And this victory could be about a commitment or something. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. As to why they, I think, turned their back on their partner maybe in the past. Yes, they're very, very stressed out. Whoever has turned their back on this situation in the past, who did not speak their truth or betrayed their partner or didn't speak up when the time was right, they feel that they, by turning their back in the wrong, by turning their back on their partner, they actually got misguided. And none of their dreams actually came true by moving away from their partner, and they're very, very stressed out about it, of making the wrong choice, I think, because now the Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. So a wonderful partnership that was possible, maybe because of some betrayal, kind of got ended, and now somebody's hoping and wishing to come and reveal their innermost selves and have this direct conversation to ask, hey, can we have victory again? Because I have the Ace of Swords in reverse here also. This could be lies which got caught, or maybe somebody who's unable to clear the air and speak the truth when the time was right? So now somebody is really stressed out because now they feel none of their wishes came true, their long-term potential for happiness is gone, and they really wish to return and have this communication. So gems, this could be you, this could be your partner, I don't know. Let's continue and see what's going on. So Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody wants to start something brand new. They want to rush towards their partner and say, hey, can we have this stable new beginning? Can we re-begin? Can we start again? Because there's been some kind of an ending here with the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Ten of Swords. Somebody didn't accept an offer maybe when the time was right. But now they want to maybe move in with a message or communication after things have totally ended. Or at least it seems like it. Eight of Wands, which is a communication card again. What's this communication, Spirit, that they want to give? What's this communication? What's this communication about? About a third-party situation, yes. Three of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. If they were working with another person in the mix, they want to tell their partner that there is nobody else in the mix anymore. I don't want to have a third party anymore. Maybe they did have one in the past, and that's the reason things went a little array, right? So this is the kind of communication this person wants to give, to say, hey, I want to work with you now and not have third parties anymore. King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. King of Wands. King of Wands. Yes, somebody, instead of taking action, I think was a bit selfish. Yes, maybe this was a sexual relationship, or they were addicted or attached to another person, and they didn't choose on time, and they could have just sat in their selfishness and said, maybe there was two things going on, I don't know, but this was something toxic this person was attached to, which they couldn't get out of. They couldn't take action because of the bind or some attachment they had, a very toxic attachment. This could be purely sexual, this could be fear, this could be anything which didn't allow this person to take action when the time was right. But now somebody really wants to bring back justice and balance, because they have a lot of regret now of how they see 3 cups again fallen to the ground, and this person is in sadness and regret as to how things didn't work out for them. So Justice card, Spirit. Justice card. What's this Justice card? Yes, now somebody wants to have clear communication, all the communication which didn't come in earlier, maybe all the lies that was told or not told, or no clarity was given. Somebody really wants to now speak their truth, bring clarity and clear the air basically. Why? Because they have now a lot of regret, because I think they've lost a lot. 5 of Cups, Spirit. 5 of Cups. Yes, this person wants to take back control of their life again. They want to clean the slate. See, this person has a lot of regrets for how things have gone down, about this betrayal or about them not taking action. Now this person wants to be the emperor, or you could be dealing with an Aries, I don't know. But this card is of somebody wanting to bring, they want to take back control and charge of their own life and say, hey, can we try one more time? I want to be, I'm not willing to give up this fight. I want us to have a rebirth, clean the slate, and almost have a restart of things. They want to bring some positive emotional health, I think, back to this relationship. Anything else, Spirit? So what was this Ace of Swords in reverse, which is the underlying energy, Spirit, for Gemini? What was this Ace of Swords? Somebody was rash in the past. Maybe maybe this person kind of said a few things. Maybe they didn't think before talking. Maybe they revealed some information that made their partner kind of hold back. Some information about something came out. Now, I don't want to guess. This could be about a third party, could be about anything, which was revealed out of the blue. Some news came out. Maybe this person didn't think before. They got caught, basically, I would say, because they just said something and the secret was revealed. And their partner started to hold back after that. And that's the reason of this problem that happened in this situation. But the other person, who was the one who was rash and didn't take action, now wants to bring back some kind of balance. They have regrets for the way things didn't happen. Maybe till now they don't know what to say, how to bring about that love offer, but they're tired of being in hermit mode now. They want to come out of it, speak their truth finally, and tell their person about why they were not able to take action in the past. Okay, and maybe they've also understood how foolish they've been and how selfish, maybe self-centered they've been in this connection, and how they never really offered or accepted a love offer on time. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Gemini. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Namaste.